Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can enable your camera access on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So as you guys can see, my camera in Snapchat is disabled. That's why I cannot do anything in Snapchat. Because unless your camera is enabled, you cannot use Snapchat. So let me show you how you guys can do it. Now remember, you cannot fix this problem from inside your Snapchat. You need to do it through your phone's settings. So follow the step. First thing you want to do is open your phone's setting. And after you open your phone's settings, scroll all the way down until you see this option called Snapchat. Now in your case, you might not have to come all the way down. So just when you're scrolling down, make sure you're looking for Snapchat, alright? So my Snapchat is at the bottom. That's why I scrolled all the way down. Click on Snapchat and click on where it says camera and make sure it's on. So my camera was off right now. That's why Snapchat was not getting access to it. So if I turn on my camera over here, basically Snapchat will get access to my camera. So once it gets access to my camera, if I open Snapchat again, my problem should be fixed, as you guys can see. So that's how you guys can enable your camera access on Snapchat. You have to go to your setting and turn it on. So that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.